Hello friends, welcome to my channel Terrace Gardening and Joyful Life. This is the English version of this video. See, I am going to discuss regarding my poinsettias which have bloomed so nicely in entire winter. And both colors I have, one is dark red and another is pink color. You can see them. So beautiful they look and they add beauty in my garden, in my terrace garden. If you see my poinsettia, right, I'm going to discuss about all the cares which you have to take now in the hot scorching summer. See, one poinsettia I have grown in the plastic pot and one in the clay pot. Right, the reason behind it, throughout the 1 or 2 years I want to do a study what kind of growth is which we are getting in plastic and in clay pot, means whether clay pot is good or plastic pot is good. Because see, when we put some plant in as a indoor, then plastic pot is always good because it will not get hot. This is the soil mixture which I have made in a poinsettia. In poinsettia I have taken almost cocoa peat. This is the charcoal pieces also I have kept to support it. Moreover, charcoal also absorb the moisture and keep the top layer moist, which poinsettia love. Right. The mixture of soil, if you see, it is mostly cocoa peat. Right, almost 40% to 50% cocoa peat I have used. It will hold the moisture, and remaining 50% is soil, vermicompost or compost, and sand. Right, this will make a very root penetrating mixture. I have heard that this is the compost fertilizer which I am going to add in the poinsettias. Every month you should add at least one bowl, as I have added recently, so I will just demonstrate you by adding little bit. Now put it in the upper layer and just mix it with the soil properly. See, I have already plowed my soil, right? Now just with this small screwdriver, which is very easy for me instead of using the tools for that. See, like that you mix it thoroughly with the upper layer, so that the soil and the compost should mix with each other. You can take either compost or vermicompost. I am using nowadays compost because it is lot. Even I have made compost. I will put the link in the description box. Very simple it is to make. Another is NPK, dear friends. Because see, this is a balanced fertilizer of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. All three are the most essential macronutrients, not micro, macronutrients. So you can take half spoon in 1 liter. I have already added in this liquid, and you can, this is just for demo because these all things I am adding regularly. You can add 50 ml, around 200 ml if it is a big pot, and monthly once you can add if the plant is growing. If it is in dormant state, please don't add much, only 20-30 ml you can add if few leaves are growing. Put the point, and this is a fungicide powder, that is soft fungicide which is available, right? And other also you can use. Another is this, take half spoon in 1 liter and put it every month, because see, mostly we keep the this pot moist, right? So there are chances of fungal attack. So fungal attacks when takes place, this fungicide is best. So you can add somewhat water, 100 ml of this mixture. Another is humic acid, dear friends. Humic acid, lot of importance is there. I have kept a separate video. It will balance the pH of the soil. Take 3 ml in 1 liter and pour it around 100-200 ml in each pot. It will not only balance the soil pH, but also it will help to absorb the necessary ions, right, which are there in the fertilizers by the plant roots. So it increases the root efficiency. Moreover, in summer you put in the shaded region. shaded region, if you put it, what will happen that it will get the necessary sunlight. Okay. See, right now, if you put all your indoor plants also in the indirect sunlight, then it will nicely grow also. Poinsettia also in summer you have to put in this like this shaded region or inside your home. But indirect sunlight is must for at least 6 hours. Otherwise it will die. Listen friends, keep the soil moist. Regularly put water. Even you can sprinkle the water with the sprinkler, right, with that pump spray which is there. I forgot to show in this video, but it is very simple spray available in the market. Just pour water and spray in afternoon, simple water on the poinsettia plant. See, all my plants look so healthy because of this kind of treatment regularly to the plants. So thank you friends for watching my video. Please comment regarding my video if you like, and also subscribe my channels to see and such a wonderful videos about my garden and all that which I have done scientific research regularly on my plants by applying many things. Thank you friends.